Hi guys, Casey Sanguins at Guarantee RV. Today I want to show you this new 2018 Jayco White Hawk 27 RB. Again, in 2018, the White Hawks Jayco brought back the front window. Everybody is loving this front window. It brings a lot of extra light into that front bedroom. Up front, being the White Hawk, it is, of course, you've got the power tongue jack, the bigger propane bottles with the tank. Nice LED lights here and here for when you're hooking up, get a little bit extra light so you can see what you're doing. Coming back, you've got the nice pass-through storage. It is a full pass-through storage on this. With Jayco's lately been real good about giving you a little spot to store an outside table. Also on this trailer has the electric power jacks, or the electric stabilizer jacks. Moving back, you of course got your almost full-length power awning, outside speakers. On the other side, you've got an outside shower, black tank flush, all of your connections. It's tight, we can't get over there. So back here you do have the outside kitchen right next to the door. This is a rear bath model again, so the outside kitchen is kind of a must. But nice 2-burner stove. You've got power out here, lights, the little fridge, and a proper draining sink. Drains into your tank so you don't have the little basin that you have to empty out. In the back, you've got a nice ladder, nice spare tire back there. Let's go on inside and take a look. Inside, the nice thing about this trailer, this is a rear bath. So before we get into the bath, you've got a couple nice wardrobes, pantry areas, lots of storage to store both food and clothes. Coming into the bathroom, it's a good sized bathroom. You've got the nice rounded glass doored shower, little medicine cabinet with the sink, the pantry. You've got an actual porcelain toilet, not the little plastic thing. And up here you've got a ton of closet space. Nice thing about this trailer, you can put all of your clothes in here, and so when you get out of the shower you can actually get dressed back in here in the shower, so you're not traking through the whole trailer in a towel. Up in the main living area of the trailer, you've got a nice U-shaped dinette. This thing's very large, very nice for seating a lot of people, but also when it folds down into a bed, it's large enough, it's long enough that a full-length an adult can sleep there. You're not stuck to just the kids. So if you have company come over, you definitely have a spot to sleep them. Up here you've also got a nice leather sofa that is a full hide-a-bed. So plenty of extra sleeping in this trailer. The kitchen, you've got nice drawers, 3 drawers, a little cubby there, decent amount of counter space, good storage up above. These nice, I like the glass inserts. Nice deep sinks with the pull-out faucet. Easier to do dishes. You've of course got the stainless steel microwave, the stove hood, your 3-burner stove with a good size oven. Of course, Jayco got the nice big Norcold fridge and freezer, plenty of room to keep all your goodies. And your entertainment center. The entertainment center works in this one particularly. It's right across from the couch. Good viewing from the dinette as well. You've got your CD player, DVD player, Bluetooth, all in one. It's even got auxiliary ports so you can plug your smart devices into it. Coming up into the bedroom, you've got a full-size residential queen bed. It's full length, 60 by 80. You've got nice hanging wardrobes on either side of the bed. Hang more clothes. Again, you've got all that space back in the back as well. Again, here's this front window we talked about outside. You do have a blind here so that you can get a little bit of privacy or keep the sun out if you're sleeping in. Another cool thing about this trailer, walk around here, got a box in there, but you've got another wardrobe, drawers, plenty of space to hang your clothes, get stuff out of the way. Clothes storage is always a problem in these trailers. So this particular Jayco, the 27 RB, has done a great job with extra storage, plenty of space to put all of your stuff. If you're interested in this, I'd love to show you. Again, my name's Casey Sanguins. Give me a call, 541-953-9171. Look forward to hearing from you.